Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce better from a jar. First, choose a high-quality jarred Alfredo sauce as your base. Gently heat the sauce over low heat in a saucepan, being careful not to boil it. For an immediate boost in richness, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This simple addition will make a noticeable difference in the sauce's texture and flavor, giving it a more homemade feel. To elevate the flavor profile, begin by sautéing 1 or 2 cloves of minced fresh garlic and a small amount of finely diced onion in butter before adding the jarred sauce. Once the sauce is warm, stir in about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino Romano cheese. Finish with a generous sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or basil, for a vibrant, aromatic touch. For a thicker, more luxurious texture, whisk in 1 tablespoon of cream cheese until it's fully melted and smooth. To achieve a silky mouthfeel, melt in a pat of unsalted butter, about 1 tablespoon at the very end. If your sauce seems too thick, add a small amount of reserved pasta water, 1 to 2 tablespoons, to help emulsify and thin it to your desired consistency. Personalize your enhanced Alfredo sauce by incorporating cooked protein, such as shredded chicken or sautéed shrimp. You can also add sautéed vegetables like sliced mushrooms, tender spinach, or roasted red peppers for extra flavor and nutrition. Finally, season with freshly ground black pepper and a tiny pinch of nutmeg to round out the flavors, creating a truly gourmet experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.